Indoor-outdoor living is everything in California, and this screened-in feature allows me to interact with my patio like on a daily basis. I love these new doors. They slide easily, super easy to lock. The design features are amazing, and I increased my home value. I think a lot of times we just put off like the maintenance things for our home and forget how much they actually affect our relationship with our house. And this has always been one of my favorite outdoor patios in the house. The light in the morning here is amazing, and in this bedroom, especially where the boys are, it just sort of is this beautiful glow that comes into this room. And being able to feel the breeze and keep this window open with this screened-in feature, it truly did increase the way that we're able to function in our home, and I'm kind of kicking myself for not doing it a long time ago.